Have you ever felt like your cat is really ignoring you, even after you feed it every day? Unlike dogs, cats don't see you as a leader or master. Research reveals cats treat you like a fellow cat. Not a boss, not a superior, but an equal. That's why they're free. Sometimes spoiled, sometimes indifferent. Not because they don't love you, but because they see you as an equal. And if your cat has ever licked your hand, it's not a joke. It's a form of affection. From one cat to another. But are you sure they just see you as a friend? Or something more? Click subscribe now before your cat starts reading your mind.